If you want to discover the beauty of the world and have the intention to see the wonders of nature up close, then let us take you on a tour of the 10 most beautiful places in the world that human intellect can enjoy. Please like the video before further discussion and also subscribe to the channel. At number 1 on our list is White Beach, located in Australia. Whitehaven Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. It's easy to see why Whitehaven Beach is one of the most picturesque beaches in the world. The magnificent 7-kilometer long white sand that feels like your bed offers you comfort and satisfaction so that you can feel your life more comfortably. The best of Whitehaven Beach, put it on your travel list as the first choice to enjoy the view, so that you can enjoy your life on this beach. At number 2, we bring it back to our list. Pree Pool, you can also call it the Skye Pool of Scotland, which is in Scotland. Pree Pool on the Isle of Skye in Scotland, but when you look at it, you can suddenly start believing in fairies, an imaginary oasis with its crystal-like explicit water scene and magical atmosphere. Surprises tourists. There you will see most of the people have accumulated water, but if you are looking for a wild swimming adventure, you really will not find a better option anywhere else. And if you are not so brave, walk around this area and see the aqua blue ponds, which are even more charming. Go to this area, but keep in mind that you will find yourself there as a fairy. Wandering in the valleys, you will feel that this view will refresh your mind. So, at number 3, we are bringing Grand Canyon National Park, a superpower in the United States. There are many tourist destinations in the United States, but we have come up with a unique and charming place for you to make your life memorable. You can gauge the beauty of Grand Valley National Park by the fact that more than 5 million people visit Grand Valley every year. It is the most magical destination on the planet. No matter how much you read about the Grand Canyon, you will be convinced that there must be a witch because nothing prepares you for a magical sight for this fantastic offer. Considered one of the top 7 unique places globally, this fascinating piece of art is surprisingly familiar, but is still unique. 3. We are bringing Grand Canyon National Park, a superpower in the United States. There are many tourist destinations in the United States, but we have come up with a unique and charming place for you to make your life memorable. You can gauge the beauty of Grand Valley National Park by the fact that more than 5 million people visit Grand Valley every year. It is the most magical destination on the planet. No matter how much you read about the Grand Canyon, you will be convinced that there must be a witch because nothing prepares you for a magical sight for this fantastic offer. Considered one of the top 7 unique places globally, this fascinating piece of art is surprisingly familiar, but is still unique. Its sheer size leaves you silent and turns towards the valley at sunrise or sunset, which makes you emotional because the scenery is so calm and beautiful that your eyes are so beautiful and clear that your eyes feel cool. The valley is divided into 3 sides, northwest and south, and all 3 offer surprisingly unique experiences. South Rhine Valley is one of the most visited features, as most of the area's infrastructure is Native American ruins and historical artifacts. However, if you are after adventure and loneliness, North Rim is the place you should be visiting so that you can see yourself wandering on a movie set. So friends, number 4 on our list is Ocachina Ho, located in Peru. Ocachina in Peru is a desert oasis in the dunes. Self-lovers and artists will love a fantastic desert oasis that enchants you with its raw beauty and bizarre stories. Imagine yourself sitting on a large piece of sand, enjoying the breathtaking sunset views as the landscape reveals red and yellow sand grains all around you. Right in front of you is an imaginary oasis that seems to be one of those Arabian nights covered with palm tree-covered rustic hotels that offer the very best luxury. Ocachina also surpasses the UAE state of Dubai in terms of popularity due to its beauty. But for those looking for a mystery, adventure or romance, a picture provides the perfect setting. Spend the evening spending time with your beloved by the lake. Counts at 5. Salar de Uyuni, which is in Bolivia. The world's largest salt flat is in Bolivia. The world's largest salt mine is also one of its most beautiful wonders. But we advise you that before watching it, you must see the Kevra mine in Pakistan. It is proudly one of the most amazing spectacles in South America. The sheer beauty of this vast desert leaves you in awe, and the mysterious island that form in the salt sea offer an unforgettable landscape that will surely stay in your mind forever. It comes in at number 6, Platovac Lakes National Park located in Croatia. No list of the most beautiful places in the world would be complete without mentioning the Platovac Lakes National Park in Croatia. This mesmerizing park is the largest national park in the country. Arc is best known for its 16 crystalline lakes that join in a series of collisions and waterfalls. You can explore the park at a distance of 18 km through wooden paths and footbridges that offer unparalleled views of the area along the coast and across the waterfalls. Clouds of colorful butterflies also accompany you throughout the hike. Not surprisingly, Platovac Lakes manages to attract 1,200,000 people each year. This park will be an excellent option for your tourist entertainment. Number 7. I have brought to you the Milford Sound. Milford Sound, Sydney Opera House, Vitomo Caves, Great Barrier Reef, Sydney Harbour Bridge and all sort of attractions to take with you on a tour of New Zealand. When you come to Milford Sound, you forget the world. It is a 1692-meter high mountain where you see the Lord of the Rings of all colors come alive, and your first glimpse will leave you with butterflies in your stomach. Not surprisingly, Milford Sound attracts more than 500,000 tourists each year. You can explore the Milford Sound on foot, by helicopter or by bus tour. At number 8, we have for you guys the capital of Japan, Tokyo. Japan attracts millions of tourists from all over the world every year, so Japan's culture and technology play the most crucial role. Japan is considering to be the most advanced technology country in the world. So if you guys plan to travel the world, then Tokyo must be on your list. Time seems to be running out in Tokyo. This ancient capital of Japan combines the charm of a classic city. Residents still wear kimonos. With more modern neighborhoods, it is one of the few cities in Japan that did not bomb during World War II, so its architecture and heritage are practically intact. Located on Honshu Island, Tokyo is considered Japan's cultural and film center. So, at number 9 comes Machu Picchu, which is in Peru. It is a so-called lost civilization. Machu Picchu was built around 1450 and occupied for about 100 years. Before the Spanish conquest, the Spaniards never discovered this vibrant city, and it was forgotten until the early 20th century, meaning that most of its architectural wonders remain. Expanding the hills is an adventure in itself, and this mysterious city looks very beautiful from their travel point. If you guys are going to visit it, let us know. At number 10 in our list is the Turkish city of Istanbul. Turkey has driven the world's tourists crazy in a short time because of Turkey's historic buildings. The city of Istanbul has been made so advanced by the Turkish president that everyone wants to visit this city. Must stay once its history is still beating in the oldest part of the city. There you will find some of its most important buildings, such as the Blue Mosque, the Hagia Sophia, the Cisterna Basilica, the Topkapi Palace, or the Grand Bazaar. Dear friends, all you have to say about this video today is to express your valuable opinion in the comments box. To watch more such informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel soon. I will see you with a new and exciting video. Please allow me until then.